Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a beautiful set of angel foil nails. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going in with my little pair of scissors to cut up the angel foil, and I'm just cutting like medium sized strips, and they don't all have to be the same size, they just can be random. So now I'm gonna apply a top coat, which is my IBD gel top coat, and I'm using my cleanup brush. I dip it into acetone just to pick up the little strips, and then I'm just placing them on the nail. Once again, they don't have to all be the same size, and then on some I'm applying a little bit more than others, so it's just up to you how you want it to look. Once again, this is the angel foil, and I think I do still have a couple of these on my website. It comes with quite a few different colors. So once again, what I'm doing is I'm applying a top coat, and that's gonna work as basically like a glue. And then where you're applying the strips, and after this we're going to cure each hand for 60 seconds, and we're going to do the same thing on both hands. So once again, we are using a pair of small scissors to cut the little angel foils. I'm applying a top coat. I'm using my IBD gel top coat, and then I'm placing the strips on the nail. I'm using my cleanup brush and a little bit of acetone to get the strips to stick onto the nail. And then after this, we're going to cure each hand for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so after the nails are cured, we're going to go back in with another layer of our IBD gel top coat, and we're going to do that on all the nails. After this, we're going to cure them for another 60 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going in with a buffer and I'm just buffing the nails. This is just to get rid of any little rough edges that were left from the angel foil. If you don't go back and buff them away, they will come off easily. So you want to make sure that those strips are securely on the nail. You can do this by using acrylic. You can encapsulate these strips into the acrylic, but it's just easier to file them off this way instead of having to do a new set next time, or just to prevent from having to file a lot when you're doing a fill. Once again, we just went back and buffed the nails, and then we are just filing to make sure that we have that perfect shape, because those 2 layers of top coat will take away a little bit from your shape. I'm just using a regular hand file or buffer, and then I'm just buffing the nails. Once again, this is to remove any of those little rough edges. Some of the angel foil pieces will be kind of lifted off the nail, and once again, if you leave them like that, they will come off. So make sure you have a nice and smooth nail, just so you won't be able to even feel the strips over the nail. After that, we're going to go in with some bling. So I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin, my SS6, my SS12 bling, and my wax pencil. And I'm also going to be using my Mia Secret gel resin activator, which is a spray that helps the glue dry. We're also going to apply some bigger stones. So for that, I'm using some hard gel, and then I'm using my wax pencil to pick up those bigger pieces. And then we do have to cure this hard gel. So we're going to cure that hard gel for 60 seconds, and then we're going to apply some more bling on the rest of the nails. So once again, we're going to let this hand cure for 60 seconds so those big pieces can cure. And then I did spray the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, and same thing for this hand. We applied our glue, and then we're going back and applying some bling. So I'm using my wax pencil to pick those up. The bling is SS6 and SS12 AB rhinestones, and then we're also doing the bigger pieces on this one, which will have to be cured for 60 seconds. Also, just to clarify, the Mia Secret Gel Resin does not have to be cured. What we are curing is the hard gel that I'm using to apply the big rhinestones. So lastly, we are going in with the same IBD gel top coat, and this will be the last coat, and we're going to cure each hand for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so I applied my clear pineapple cuticle oil and I'm just gently massaging it on the cuticles, and this is the final look. They turned out really pretty. This set was inspired by Dallas GetNailed, and I'll leave her Instagram name in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys next time.